Hi beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, finally I am here. I've really procrastinated about this channel for a long time, but I'm happy I'm here, guys. A round of applause for me, man. And it's not easy. Hey, please guys, don't mind me. I can be really playful a lot of times. Okay, so let's get right into the business of the day. Let me relax well. So this channel have taken me forever to open. Na small gist what they give now, but I'm happy for the grace of God that I've finally opened it today. So in this channel, we're talking about a lot of things. We're talking about DIYs, hair growth tips. We're talking about DIYs. We're talking about faith. We're talking about family. Yes, my experience in marriage. We're talking about that. Yes, I'm married, guys. So my little experience in it, I'm going to share it with you guys. Then those who are still about to join the club, they can pick one or two. Then if there's anyone that I do not touch, you can always write in the comment section. I'm open to learning from everybody. Nobody's an island. We all learn from ourselves. That is me. The one I know that I don't know, but the one I know, I will share with you. That is it. Then I'm going to be sharing hacks. Yes, little life hacks that I have discovered or I have done myself. There is one that I actually have in my head now, but I'm going to share it with you guys later. Then another thing, we're talking about DIYs, like my hair products. I do it myself. Yes, I do it myself. Then I'll be sharing most of all those DIYs to you. Then you pick anyone that is your hair, that you feel that your hair loves, or the one that you feel that is convenient for me. And the funny part of it is that all these DIY is something that we can make right from our kitchen, from the ingredients we have in our kitchen. Is not really expensive or extravagant like that. It's little things that we can find in our kitchen, then we use it for our hair growth. So for a start, we'll be doing virtually a little bit of everything on this channel. So guys, with no further ado, make I speak grammar. No, so please guys, support your girl. Now if you support me, I go know whether to stay on this street of YouTube. I be make I carry my bag the waka. But it's not my portion in Jesus' name. I don't go anywhere. We are here. We are here. So guys, please do well to subscribe to my channel. That's the way you can support your girl. Yes, I said so. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that YouTube go tell now when I don't upload picture. Sorry, mistake. So YouTube will notify you when I upload a video. Then seriously guys, I really nervous. So whatever I say today or however I say it, just take it that way. Your girl, butterfly for my belly. I don't go lie you. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a picture. And don't forget to always give me a thumbs up. That's the way you encourage me to do more videos. This is my seriousness. So ignore it. That is the only way you know if I will know if you enjoy my content or if you enjoy my wahala. But if you don't give me a thumbs up, I'll be discouraged. And I know you don't want me to be discouraged. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys. Bye. So finally, oh God of blessing. Bye, guys.